George, let's see your shirt. George.
This is the door's open.
My first birthday. Happy birthday, George. Did you find some presents in your room? Do you know what to do with them? Yeah. Can you pull that off? See what's inside? Going straight for the book.
What do you got there?
All right, George, do you need some help, baby? Or do you want to just play with it a little longer? George, why don't you let your mommy help you? No. Look. Oh. George. You want to open this? Look. Can you finish? No, don't put it in your mouth. Rip it with your hands. Can you see what's inside? Alright. George, look. Oh, what's inside? What's inside?
He's so much more interested in the wrapper.
Mm-hmm. No. Let's not eat that, baby. Did you get a book? Did you get a book? Here you go. Oh, you got a book, George. See? You're just not sure what to do with this, are you, son? Here you go. It's a book for George. What do you think? Mr. Brown can moo, can you? Does that look like a good one to you, son? Does it taste good? We'll read it later. Why don't you open this now? Okay, you can play with this. You want to see what's inside? Oh, what's inside? What's in there? Why don't you look and see what's inside? Look. Oh, it's a dump truck. Yeah. Good job. Look at that. Do you like it? Oh, he loves it. George, do you love your truck? Do you love it?
Yeah, you got a toy truck. That's right, George.
George, do you love it? Do you love your dump truck?
You're just driving it along, aren't you?
Gotta see what it tastes like.